Auburn, just on a little walk in the woods. I don't know if I'm going to get, but we'll have a see. Might find something interesting, or might not. I'll report back in a minute.
I done ran into my baby and finally found my old blue jean.
Okay, so we're right in the thick of it now, just following some of the walking trails. Only walked up here a few times, so I don't really know my way around. Mountain biking is a different thing, I know it quite well, but you're rarely going to follow the mountain bike trails up here. So I'll bring you back in a minute once I know where I am. Still walking, bit off piece at the moment. I've not a clue where I am, but we've got to come to a trail at some point in time. Aha! There's something here. Let's have a look what goes this way. If it's not too steep, I'll try and climb up it. Okay, we've come to a junction. I'm going to start climbing up now. Don't want to go too far off piece. I think I know this route. I used to go mountain biking in here. Well, I still do, but not for a while. Bring you back in a minute.
I done ran into my baby and finally found my old blue jean. I could tell that day was mine from the oil and the gasoline.
Okay, we're just on our way back to the van now. These are obviously new trails I've not seen before. Well, it's a bit risky for me, that. I'll go down that way, but not that way.
If I ever get back my blue jean, Lord, how happy could one man be? If I ever get back my blue jean, Lord, how happy could one man be?
Okay, that was a short walk, probably about a mile and a half, 2 miles maybe. But it was good, I enjoyed it. A bit slippy on the foot, mind. But okay.
Come to me.
trusty old van. Church Road down there, and the golf course down there.